Hey guys, how you doing? It's me, Alex, the Financial Guru. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make money in a depressing market. If anything goes down, if the market is plummeting, what do you do in those type of cases? It's scary. You're losing a vast amount of money in a short span of time. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you what do you do in those type of situations. All right, so guys, we're gonna talk about some key trades. Jumping into trades. What type of trades do you jump in when the market is going downward? When there's a lot of negative news out there. Right now, if I'm correct, what is it? The coronavirus or something that's going on right now. It's already killed about over 1,000 people in China, and it's supposed to be a potential worldwide threat. What do you do in a situation like that? Do you take all your money and run? Do you get out of a trade because it's going against you? What do you do in situations like that? So I'm going to show you right now what's the easiest thing to do. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you the actual trades. So let's get into the trades so I can show you here. All right, so we're in the trade right now. And what I'm doing right now, since we know that the market is crashing, right? The market's crashing right now. Everything is going on a downward scale. It's scary. What do you do? So I'm going to show you what I've done. And let's see how much money I'm up. Now, unfortunately, I already started the trade from 3 a.m. this morning. I had to jump in it. I was scared and I had to take advantage of an opportunity. So when you see opportunities, you're going to have to wake up late night, early mornings. That's just the reality of it. But it's well worth it. So let's see here. So we go to the ticker symbol and we're going to type in ES. All right, perfect. That's a trade that I'm in right now. And let's see here where it's at right now. All right, so right now, if you see this trade, we see that for this specific trade, I'm up 6,000 right now. But for the day, I'm up 8 grand. So how I was able to get 8,000 so far, the market started plummeting from yesterday. So, and here's the crazy thing. This is actually money from a client. So I'm making this money for the client. So how I did it was, as soon as the money cleared, I put it into the stock market. I realized that the stock market was going to plummet because of the whole coronavirus. That's something scary. You know, if a bunch of world leaders die, the money system will crash. So we're doing a thing called shorting. So if you actually look on it, is a system called shorting. And what shorting means is that you're selling it to buy it. See, most people, we do the opposite. We buy so we can sell it and make a profit. But in this one, you're actually selling it so you can buy it to cover. And what that means in layman terms is I'm betting that the market is going to go downward, that the market is going to crash, that the market is going to have some negative effects, and that the stock market is not going to be able to withhold it. So as the stock market goes down, my account increases and makes money. That's the cool thing about it. So that's something that you always want to look into. Think about that, okay? So right now I'm up about 8,500. So that's good. That's real good. So let's see here. Now I know a lot of people get discouraged with the market. Don't worry about that. Be cool, be calm. It's scary, yeah, it is scary, but trust me, there's days like this where the market is gonna work in your favor, and when it works in your favor, you're gonna make a good amount. So me, I usually don't get out the trade unless I have at least $10,000. Now, this was only a small $10,000 investment. This is not a lot of money. A lot of people have $10,000 lying around. That's just 2 tax refunds. And if you're married or if you're working with someone, that's a combined tax refund. And that right there could make you $8,000 in one day. Think about that. $10,000 can make you $8,000 in one day. There's nothing that you can mostly do legitimately, something that is actually legit, where you can take $10,000 and within 24 hours come back with $18,000. There's not really too much in this world that you can do that can yield those type of results. So this is the type of thing you want to get into. So just look at the market. I'm gonna ride this out. I'm hoping that it just keeps on crashing for the day. If it keeps crashing, it might turn out to be a $12,000, $16,000, $20,000 day. And if that is, then I can, go have some fun, eat some good steak, take the family out, those type of things. So everyone like, share, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please reach out to me. Also, if you want to invest and you want me to teach you firsthand, no problem. And if you want me to invest for you, no problem. All my contact information is below. And if you have, if you reach out to me, it's either myself or one of the representatives will contact you. All right. Take care. Let's make money together.